Every once in a while, I get really excited to make a video. Today is one of those days because we're at Sonoma Raceway and I am driving my helicopter. I'm kidding. I'm driving another spaceship, my Carrera GT.
I run a Benz, I might make it bust. I wanna dance, baby, I ain't in no rush. I wanna, which I'm tryna. I wanna, which I'm tryna. Get in there.
I love this car. This is the best car I've ever had, hands down. There's no words to describe this car. It just makes you so happy. You don't even need to drive fast in this car to enjoy it. Just visually looking at it, the feel of everything.
Sexy.
Yeah, getting the shifts right, like heel and tone perfectly. When you get it right, it's so rewarding, so satisfying. It's a car that just makes you smile.
Yeah.
And it sounds incredible.
This is the best sounding car today, hands down.
Hey, did you know that this engine originally was made for F1 by Porsche? And then they made an engine for Le Mans, they converted that engine to Le Mans, and then to the street car. So it's got a race engine in it, which is so cool.
Amazing.
You ready?
Oh my God! My God, bro!
I love this car.
The noise that comes out of this vehicle it's like music.
It's sick, huh?
It's like a note. Like some cars are loud and obnoxious and they sound good, but this has like a musical note to it almost. It's just like a unique car to ride in.
Yeah.
There's nothing like it.
It bottoms out a little, so I can't like really go too fast on turns. But for what it is, I love this car.
I got a boo-boo.
CGT stayed off the walls, no Lexus dealership in sight. This is a very safe place
Jesus
to come
Christ,
to.
bro.
I know, hey, CGT 1, Senna 0. No, but seriously, what do you say? What an incredible car. Just freaking looking at it. You know what's funny is there's a Senna right there.
Bro. Stay away, sir. Stay away. Stay away from that car.
Mine was definitely in the best spec. All carbon is cool too, but I prefer them in green.
God, bro, like
I'm bleeding, man. But yeah, the Valhalla is going to be my everyday track car, modern day track car, which replaces the Senna. And then the CGT is just like, when you drive the CGT, you feel cool, you feel different. It's hard to explain. Anyone's ever like ridden motorcycles, that same feeling you get with the bike is the feeling you get with the CGT. All these other cars will never give that feeling. It's so freaking raw, and I love that car.
it's like you're gonna die, basically.
Yeah, basically. Anyway, we got a car week coming up. Aston Martin invited me out to their house. They're gonna show off the Valhalla in the flesh. It's gonna be my first time seeing it. I just talked to Tim. He said he's driven the car before, and he said it is one of the best driving cars he's ever driven. He said that car slides better than any other car he's ever driven. So
What if you see it in person and you don't like it? Like genuinely.
that
like,
would suck. And then honestly, I'd buy a Senna.
You'd cancel your order and buy a Senna?
Yeah.
Alright.
Why I love the Carrera GT so much, it's not just because it's a special and perfect, like really cool car, but I spec'd it the way that I would have spec'd it 20 years ago, right? I painted it, redid the interior, that's like my color combo. So with the Valhalla, we're doing the same thing, and that's why the Valhalla, just like the CGT, is going to be very special to me. So anyway, Monterey's here. Hopefully I don't get arrested this time.
He's gonna do this shit, dog. If you do, I'll drive the CGT back, bro. I got you.
Yeah. Although that car really does want to do donuts. I haven't done donuts in the CGT yet, so we gotta find a spot to do that. Not in Monterey, somewhere else. But yeah, anyway,
Mexico.
we got a lot of videos coming up. Hope you enjoyed. Why am I so close to the camera?
It's a wide, it's wide angle.
Okay, all right.
Plus, you need to be in front of the mic, bro.
Ciao. Adios. Can I do donuts around hot bike?
No.
Is it me or the GBP? I don't know. She really won't see for C. It could be the GIAs or the G5 plane. I don't know what the reason.
We have a police escort. You blow red lights. Everything we're doing today is legal. I love it.